Sometimes we say, keep your old system. Here's something a phone company probably shouldn't tell you. Sometimes, when a business calls me about replacing their old PBX, I tell them to keep it. I've been designing phone systems for over 25 years, and I'd rather tell you the truth about the equipment in your closet than sell you something you don't need. So let's have the honest version of the VoIP versus PBX conversation. The basic difference is simple. A traditional PBX is phone equipment installed at your building. You own it and you maintain it. Hosted VoIP moves the brains of the system into the provider's data centers, and your desk phones, computers, and mobile apps connect to it over your network. You might still have phones and switches on site. What changes is where the core system lives and who's responsible when something breaks. So when does keeping a PBX make sense? When you have one stable location, current hardware that's still supported by the manufacturer, specialized analog equipment like paging, alarms, and door systems, and someone on staff who knows the system. If that's you, replacing it just because it's older may be the wrong business decision. But understand the trade-off. You carry the risk. Hardware ages out. Parts disappear. And the copper phone lines many of these systems depend on are being retired by the carriers right now. Now, when does hosted VoIP win? When you're growing, and adding an employee should take minutes instead of a technician visit. When you have multiple locations that need to work as one system. When your team answers business calls from home, from the field, from anywhere, using your company number. And when you'd rather have a predictable monthly cost than a capital project every 7 years. One warning from me. Don't shop on the advertised seat price alone. Ask what's included. Porting your numbers, programming your auto attendant, training your staff, and answering the phone when you need help. That's where providers really differ. Before you decide anything, map 3 things. How calls enter your organization? Where do they need to go? And what has to keep working when the power or internet goes out? At Carolina Digital Phone, we run a geo-redundant platform from facilities in Greensboro, Research Triangle Park, and Dallas, Texas. And we've been designing both kinds of systems in North Carolina since the year 2000. Read the full comparison at carolinadigitalphone.com or call us at 3-365-444-000 for an honest assessment of what you have. If your old system still serves you, I'll be the first to say so.